Unraveling the Mystery. Who is a fibber? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and informative. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard or read, a fibber. This term is not just a word, but a window into understanding everyday English and its nuances. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and its place in English conversations. The term fibber might sound playful, and indeed, it refers to someone who tells small or insignificant lies. These aren't harmful or serious lies, but more like exaggerations or falsehoods told usually to avoid trouble or for no significant reason. The word fibber is informal and is often used in light-hearted situations. Understanding these connotations is crucial for English learners, as it helps in grasping the context in which the term is used. Tracing the roots of fibber takes us back in history. The term fib is believed to have originated in the early 17th century, possibly from fable or fabrication, indicating a story that is more imaginative than true. Knowing this history helps in understanding why fibber implies a mild or playful aspect of lying, different from more serious terms like liar or deceiver. Let's see how to incorporate a fibber into everyday English. Don't take him too seriously. He's known to be a bit of a fibber. I can't believe you made up that story, you little fibber. Everyone laughed when they realized she was just being a fibber about having seen a UFO. Notice the tone and context in these examples. They're light, not accusing someone of serious dishonesty. Understanding a fibber isn't just about the dictionary definition. It's also about the cultural and emotional nuances. In English-speaking cultures, labeling someone a fibber is often playful and not meant to cause offense. It's used among friends, family, and sometimes with children when they tell obvious or harmless lies. I hope this exploration of a fibber has been both enlightening and entertaining. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture and context behind the words. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be a fibber when you tell your friends about what you learned today. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.